Okay, sequence of operation of an oil-fired furnace. Excuse me. Here you got your bucket, the AFG model series oil burner. Okay. Here's your primary control. Here's your ignition transformer. First thing it's going to come on is the ignition transformer. It's going to ignite. It's going to engage by the primary control. Then right here is your oil delay or a delayed oil valve. The purpose of this is to give adequate airflow before combustion is introduced. So before the oil is introduced, this I think this like mixes the air around. So it'll run for like 15 seconds, and then the burner will actually ignite, and then after that the fan will kick on. You'll see when I fire the furnace up what I'm talking about. I'm going to fire it up right now. Okay. Okay, trial for ignition. Okay. Okay, you heard it fire after it did that 15 seconds for the delayed oil valve. That just gives proper combustion. I mean, it mixes the air inside the heat exchanger for proper combustion when oil is introduced to the combustion chamber and it ignites. In about 15 seconds, the fan will come on. I don't have this bottom door off, I'm sorry. You'll be able to hear it. There it goes. Flame proven. Alright. Yeah, there it goes, it's running. Alright guys, I hope that it somewhat helped you out here. I know it wasn't the most explanatory, but maybe it'll kind of help somebody out here a little bit. I'll put the store back on and that'll be it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe.